Curious about what can get your videos demonetized? Our new tool can help. Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy, and our newest tool helps you combat demonetization here on YouTube. If you want to see what other tools TubeBuddy has for demonetization, click the card on screen now. If you've ever had a video demonetized here on YouTube, it could be because of the video's title, tags, or descriptions. With our brand new, free TubeBuddy tool, Demonetization Audit, we can help you with these issues. From either the upload or video edit screen, you can see our Demonetization Audit. This tool scans your video's title, description, and tags to make sure you aren't using words that have been known to get videos demonetized in the past. Our list of flagged words that TubeBuddy is searching for is a standard list of words used across the industry. If we find any flagged words, they'll show up in the Demonetization Audit. We will also show you what section these words are located, so you can either remove that word or replace it if you choose to. If you prefer to not use or see the Demonetization Audit, you can always turn it off by clicking the settings icon and deselecting Show Demonetization Audit. With this new free TubeBuddy tool, you can now help yourself in the battle against demonetization. We want to know, have your videos ever been demonetized? Let us know in those comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification to stay up to date on all things TubeBuddy. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy, and thank you all so much for watching.